Everyone, my name is Nigam. I am an English literature student and also an English teacher. I have been teaching English to beginners and competitive exams students and rule backgrounds learners for a long time. In today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can score full marks in SSC MTS 2026 English in only 50 days. 15 days. So watch this video till the end because I will share exact topic daily plans and smart tricks that's actually work. Understand the SSC MTS English paper. Very important. First, let's understand the paper. SSC MTS English is very basic, very repetitive, based on rules, not creativity. Mostly asked topics are grammar, vocabulary, sentence-wise questions, and if you are prepared smartly, you don't need 3 months. Only you need 15 days are enough. Golden rules for 50 by for 75 by 75. Do not try to learn everything. Masters only what SSC actually asks. Now let me give you the 15 days winning plan. Okay? Day 1 to 5 Grammar Foundation. Focus only on high scoring grammar topic. Day 1 or 2 Parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, subject, verb agreement. Practice 50 questions daily. Day 3 Tense, only basic rules. Present tense, past tense, future tense. No depth theory. Okay? Day 4 Articles a and the. Preposition in, on, at, by, whatever. You read all. Day 5 Active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech. SSC repeats these questions again and again. Day 6 to day 9 Vocabulary, easy marks. Vocabulary is the game changer. Focus on synonym, antonym, one word substitutions, idiom and phrases, only common one. Learn 20 to 25 words daily. Revise old words every night. Tip for you. Don't memorize meaning only. Use words in simple sentence. If you are still here, then subscribe my channel for learning English and for all of things. Okay? Day 10 to 12 Sentence questions. These questions look scary, but they are actually easy marks. Practice. Sentence correction. Fill in the blanks. Error posting. Rule-based question. Guarantee marks. Day 30 to 40 Mock test analyze. This is where toppers are made. Attempt to full English mock test daily. Analyze. Why was the answer wrong? Which rule you forget? Write mistakes in a notebook. Okay? 50. Revision day. No new topic. Only grammar rules revision, vocabulary revision, mistakes notebook, relax your mind, believe yourself. Smart tricks to scroll full marks. Trick 1. Never guess answer randomly. Immediately wrong option first. Trick number 2. If you know the rule, don't read the full sentence. Trick number 3. English is not about fluency here. It is about accuracy. If your background is Hindi medium, if you think your English is weak, remember this. SSC does not test your English level. It tests your preparation level. And preparation is completely in your control. Okay? If you follow this 50 days strategy honestly, I promise you one thing. 75 out of 75 is possible for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe because I upload real English strategy for real learner. Comment below. I will score full marks in SSC MTS English. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.